Let me show you how you can make $100 per day at the comfort of your home, which means you'll be making about $3,000 to $5,000 per month. And it's extremely easy and requires no special skills. Are you ready? Let's get started. All you have to do is to be a mumu and suspend your reasoning. Do you really think I will come up here to reveal such a secret? They play. If you see anyone claiming, they will show you how you can make $1,000 per month, $5,000, $10,000 per month. You should know that they are broke and your money is what they want to use to shake body. They really tell you how to make $100 money. They are full of empty promises. I'm not saying you cannot make $100 per day. Don't get me wrong. In fact, many of my friends are making as much as $500 per day. But trust me, nobody will tell you. Now let me break it down. Why is just an audio money? It's just an empty promise. And they just want to enrich themselves. Please ask yourself this question. Have you ever seen any multi-millionaire or billionaires in the world coming out to tell people this is how to be a millionaire? Don't be a mumu. They're just cashing out on you. All those forex crypto traders telling you they will train you and give you signals, techniques. Just know that it's your money that they want to use to start trading or to cover for their losses. They have been using the same techniques since 90s or early 2000. I'm sure you know about demand and supply, right? If everyone will start producing salt today, no one will buy salt again and Dangote will be out of business because the demand for salt will be next to nothing and the price of salt will fall. The same principle applies to all online businesses. If everyone uses the same trading signal or techniques, the forex, the crypto and stock market will adjust or reset itself and those methods will stop working. The same thing applies to content creation and all online businesses. The more people in a business, the less money each person makes. How then can you make money online so that you will stop falling victim to those people telling you that you can make $100 a day? The only way you can make money online is very simple. You will need to format or delete all those nonsense social media junks that you have installed on your brain, as in your mind. Just format it, delete all those nonsense. Be yourself and stop copying people. You have an inbuilt God-given skills that you can monetize. That your fingerprint and your DNA, you are the only one that has it. It's the same way you have a God-given unique skill that nobody on earth has, only you, just you alone. Do your research, come up with that extremely unique and peculiar inbuilt skills. Don't copy what others are doing because it will soon be saturated. Keep building on it and you'll become a better person. You know, talk is cheap because everyone can talk. You have to be extremely skillful. You have to keep digging because you are now competing with billions of people. That is why you have to go back to your skills, your inbuilt skills. That is why you have to go back to your inbuilt skills because it's only peculiar to you. The moment you are able to master your God-given inbuilt skills, money will start chasing you all around. Then you can monetize your skill and start generating residual monthly income. Let me tell you something. Any online business with little or no skills involved is fake and will soon fade out. Build your God-given skills. Money will run after you. Build your God-given skills. Money will run after you. There are over 50 ways you can monetize your skills. You can monetize your skills through content monetization, social media, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, over 100 of social media, AdSense, Google AdSense, Google AdMob endorsements. You can digitize your products. Even the most stud plus speed skills, you understand? And the most mumu skills can be monetized. Instead of you looking for audio money that can never make you wealthy, start building your skills and get monetized. See you at the top.